weather conditions and listen for Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Goodhue County in southeastern Minnesota until 6:15 p.m. At 5:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Goodhue, or 11 miles south of Red Wing, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Zamrota, Goodhue, Belchester, Frontenac State Park, and Central Point. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Monday for a portion of southeast Minnesota. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following county: Goodhue, Minnesota.